Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 17 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. And our prompts for this week is a number or a string of numbers. I'm going to use that. It says a food packaging label. I'm just going with food packaging. So I've got these. Something with a weather-related theme. I've got these sandals and this front porch in the south. If you're blessed enough to have a porch like this, you spend a lot of time on it. A bird. I've got this hummingbird that I cut from the book that I reviewed. And it came with a flower. They're just separate. And a stamp. So I've got these 3 stamps. And the bonus is lines. So I've got these stripes on the paper. So without further ado, let's get started. Well, I hope everybody's doing great. I really don't know exactly what I'm going to do with all of this. I've got a few odd and ends pulled out. But let's see what we get. So, I like those sandals. Maybe something like that. And I want my hummingbird. Find a spot for that. I don't know. Let me see, I'm going to trim just a tad off the bottom here so that my sandals will show up. A little better. I hope everybody's doing great. I'm doing pretty good. I can't complain. It's been raining a lot, but we'll certainly need that. It is that time of year. Let's see here. I'm thinking I'm just gonna lay that out. Maybe something like that. I don't know. That can go on my porch. And then I've got my stamp clusters. Maybe just do a little cluster up here. This is a little different. Maybe turn that. Maybe move that up. Well, I kind of like that. Let me see, flip that around, see if that side. All right. So I am going to ink around these just to kind of get rid of the white edge. Just a little. Well, we finished Bones. And we started watching The American. So far it's been pretty good. It's a little for lack of a better word, raunchy. I'm not too keen on that, but I like the premise. The only bad thing is you kind of start rooting for the bad guys. So you have to, we have to watch movies like that when you start rooting for the for the bad guys. Okay. Let's see. Get these sandals. I enjoy these challenges. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag 2024 CW17 to see what everyone else has made. I've met a lot of friends on this challenge, and I'm very thankful for them. And I'm so thankful for all of y'all. Okay, we'll put this down first. I have really gotten to where I love collage. Oops. I like the shiny foil. It's a real one this time. I don't want to get away from the others either. But they all go together. You sit on your porch, enjoy your chocolate covered cherries, and chew your bubble gum or your gum, wearing your sandals, enjoying the beautiful weather. I really want a big front porch. That's always been my dream. I know I mentioned in another video my granny had one I loved. We spent a lot of time on that front porch in the swing. Okay. Now I'm gonna see where I wanna. Oh, I didn't. Yes, I did. I did do a kitty cat. Yep. And cats really love front porches and stuff. They can lay on the rails and enjoy being outside. They can snooze. I wish mine could go outside like that. I've really enjoyed this book. Most of the pictures are pretty clear. These had a little pixelation. I didn't notice it the first time I went through. I only noticed one other picture that was a little bit pixelated, but once you cut it out, it really doesn't show up. And now I'm going to put my little bird down. Stamps. I love stamps. I used to collect stamps, and I kick myself because I ended up selling them in a yard sale. I collected them as a kid, and I had the album. And when, you know, years after we got married, we even had kids, and they were little, and I decided to put them in the yard sale, and I regret it now, for sure. Alright. Well, I think I've got everything on there. Let's see here. I've got my number, my food packaging, something weather related, the sandals in the front porch. I've got my bird stamp and my lines. So I think now I'm just kind of going to do a border just to kind of finish it off a little bit. Nothing major. Can't even really see it. Let's see. And I used to do this a lot, and I forgot about it until I saw Barbie do, from Nellie and Ruth Designs, do some with a gold pen, and I remembered I used to do this all the time, just add a little, I have these sparkly gel pens, and just kind of adding a little something to it. Just a little glimmer. Let's see. Maybe I'll go around with this color too to kind of see it a little better. Okay. And I've got some blue. Hope it's making something, not making just a mess. Okay. Let's see here. I've got kind of a pink. Here. All right. Well, I'm happy with that. I think I am gonna go around that just a little. See if there's any. I do have a little bit of yellow here, just a hit. Okay. Maybe just to make his eyes pop just a tad. Okay. Just adds a little something to it. Well, all right. I added splatters. I forgot to cut the camera on. I'm such a goober. Anyway, I have got my string of numbers. I've got my food packaging, something weather related, the sandals and the porch. I've got my hummingbird, and I love hummingbirds. It's about time to put my feeder out. I've got stamps and the bonus lines. So I hope y'all have a great and wonderful day, and I love y'all. So until next time, bye.